One unique thing about the Mecum Monterey auction is we'll typically see more Ferraris than Camaros and more Porsches than Mustangs. Every once in a while, a collection gets entered that really nails the intent and the personality of the inventory. What we're going to be experiencing is a very high percentage of quality vintage Ferraris and Porsches.
Arguably, when we talk about Ferrari, we're talking about the most famous marque in automotive history. No one will underestimate the value of the name Ferrari. When you look at Porsche, what you're looking at is really refinement in engineering.
From all the German manufacturers, Porsche stands as the one brand that means quality and performance.
Every single car is a work of engineering masterpiece. These particular cars are of incredible condition.
What that is going to bring to bidders is a great opportunity for folks to get what's considered to be the best of the most storied and sought after and valuable cars on the planet.